Rainfall is forecast nationwide from night on the 3rd through the afternoon of the 4th, with Jeju Island and southern regions expecting the heaviest rain. Rainfall amounts in mountainous areas of Jeju could exceed 150 millimeters, making caution important for outdoor plans. Strong winds over 70 kilometers per hour will first impact Jeju's coasts before spreading nationwide, with many regions experiencing winds over 55 kilometers per hour. These conditions raise safety concerns, such as landslides and structural damage, so vigilance is advised. The combination of wind and rain may cause early falling of cherry blossoms, especially in the south and Jeju, while central areas including Seoul could still enjoy a longer blossoming period. This follows an overall early bloom this spring across the country.